Hey everybody, I wanted to talk about the BLACK+DECKER 12-inch cordless battery-powered string trimmer edger and combo. I got to test this out and review it. This is a light-duty string trimmer. It is battery-powered. I wanted to thank you for all the positive comments from my last Weed Whacker reviews. I've done a handful already, and I appreciate all the feedback that you've been giving me. So again, this string trimmer is battery-powered. Coming out of the box, it is very easy to put together. All you need to do is put this handle on, and basically you match up this side. You push in the buttons, and the handle kind of goes over those buttons, and this is an adjustable handle. You just press that button and you get it the way you want it to. The battery, all you have to do is charge it. It comes with a charger. It simply releases with this button here. You slide it out, you can put it on your charger, recharge it, and then slide it back in. Clicks in just like that. To run the string trimmer, all you need to do is press the safety button. You can use your thumb or finger, press it in, then you can pull the trigger. This is how it sounds. Again, this is very lightweight, and it shortens to this size, which is great to put in the trunk of your car or store it in your garage or shed. To lengthen it to the height that you would like it to go, all you need to do is unlock the handle here. Then you can pull it out to the right size. Then you lock it again. Very easy. This is string trimming mode. So you can see here, it's set up to string trim. One more thing for setup, you have to put this black guard on, and again, that's pretty easy. All you do is you take the guard and you slide it on the base here. It slides up and in, and there's a screw right there that you put on. The string is taped to the spool. You just undo that, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to go to edging mode, all you need to do is twist the handle to the unlock mode. Then you twist the shaft around, and that rotates. You lock the handle again. Now it's in the edging mode like this. The one thing about this is when you're edging, you have to be on the sidewalk and walk sideways. This is different from other edgers, where you can actually edge going forward rather than walking sideways. I hope that makes sense, but for me it's easier to edge going forwards because you can see the line of the sidewalk easier. When you have to do it sideways, you'll see in the video, sometimes you're backed up against a bush or landscaping, so it's a little harder to do. So you have to kind of go on the opposite side of the sidewalk, and it's a little harder to line up with your eye. So I just wanted you to be aware of that. To get it back into edging mode, again, you just unlock the handle, rotate the shaft, and then lock it again, and you're good to go, and you're in string trimming mode. It has a front guard here, and I believe this is for pushing tall grass back, so when it bumps against that, or flowers or shrubs, it gives a little space for the string to work. Now, one important thing here is the automatic feed system. This is not a bump feed. The string automatically comes out with their auto feed system technology. Now you can buy pre-wound spools, or if you want to do it yourself, you can just re-spool it with your line yourself. It's 0.069 diameter line. Now you want to make sure you're able to change this out easily yourself, or else it becomes a headache. You want to make sure you're good at this, so it makes string trimming much easier. All you need to do is release it by pressing these two orange tabs on the side. That releases the cap. The cap has a spring on it. And you can see the spool here. You can take this out. Keep your thumb on the line there. If you wrap it yourself, you want it nice and tidy like that. To put it in, all you need to do is put the gear side down, facing the machine, and the side with the words on top. So gear side down. I'm going to feed the end of the line through the hole here. I'm going to put the spool on the post. Then I'm going to put the cap back on. Just push it in so it clicks. That's all you need to do. This has a little blade here, so it's always going to trim the line to this length. There's the blade. This is a light duty, so it'll be good for small yards, trimming grass, edging sidewalks. I would not consider this medium or heavy duty use, because once you run into thick grass and weeds, the line is going to get caught up. So I'd say this is good for small properties where you just want to trim up around your landscaping, around your curb and sidewalk. But again, very lightweight, very easy to use. With the battery, you're probably going to get around 15 to 25 minutes per use. Then you have to recharge it. Once you're done using it, don't forget to recharge the battery, and you'll be good to go for next time. So why would you want to get a battery powered one? Several reasons. There's corded versions, but you're limited by the length of your cord. Battery, as long as you remember to keep it charged, you're good to go and you can take it anywhere. Some people prefer battery over gas-powered string trimmers because you don't have to worry about mixing fuel, you don't have to worry about getting gas, you don't have to worry about your carburetor gumming up and trying to figure out how to get the engine started. All you need to do with this is plug the battery in and you're good to go. So these are some of the advantages of having battery over gas-powered and corded electric versions. Another thing about the 20-volt system is you can use it with a bunch of the different Black & Decker power tools. So you have your drills, hand saws, sawzalls, you have your blowers, chainsaws, hedge trimmers, all kinds of tools that you can use this 20-volt battery with. That's one of the nice things about the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery system from Black & Decker. And you'll see in some video how it cuts in my demonstrations. It does a pretty good job. Again, light duty. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and happy trimming.